The 10 Best Video Doorbells. Give your home or office a higher level of security by installing one of these video doorbells. They offer HD cameras, Wi-Fi connectivity, image capture, night vision, and more. You can even talk to someone at your premises from anywhere in the world via your smartphone or tablet. Some of the higher-end models can get a bit pricey, but the peace of mind they bring is well worth the money. The list starts from LifeMoment Smart, sold with 3 rechargeable lithium-ion cells and a 16GB SD card. The LifeMoment Smart, around $72, is an affordable choice for monitoring your doorstep. It allows for two-way voice communication and connects to your router via the 2.4 GHz band. Batteries last for 8 to 10 months. Infrared night vision, but maximum resolution of only 720p. Check out link in description to buy this product from Amazon. Ninth one is Simply Safe Pro, part of a line of effective home security devices. The Simply Safe Pro, around $147, utilizes high dynamic range recording to ensure that you can see who's at your door in full HD. Its 162-degree field of view is wider than most others, and it offers built-in Wi-Fi connectivity. Uses an 8 to 24-volt transformer, infrared motion sensor, but doesn't support voice commands. You shouldn't miss this product's review. UFI Security, a better-than-average 2560 by 1920 resolution camera with HDR capability and distortion correction, gives the UFI Security about $160, a superior picture to many others. It uses your existing wiring and doesn't require any monthly fees. Local video storage, motion detection, but minimal smart home integration. Well, here is the 7th one. VTech Landline. If you're interested in getting one of these systems, but don't have a smartphone, the VTech Landline, about $119, just might be the solution for you. The included handset allows you to see, hear, and talk to any visitors who come to your home. Rechargeable batteries included, great for senior citizens, but video quality is low resolution. You should look into this product, it was surely well marketed. Zomoto Ding. The Zomoto Ding offers many of the same features as its competitors, but is much more affordable, with a price tag of well under $100. Its camera provides clear, high-quality video both day and night, and all of its footage is stored on your personalized account. Comes with door and window sensors, 720p wide-angle live view, but no monthly recording fees. Now we will show you the 5th product in the list, Remobel Wireless. The Remobel Wireless, about $150, not only lets you see a live stream of the footage it is constantly capturing, it also saves recordings to the cloud, so you can go back and see videos of recent happenings anytime you want by using its intuitive app. Reliably water-resistant, low battery alerts, but allows for 5 viewer accounts. Customers are keying in according to them. One should buy this one. Ring 2. The Ring 2 APPX, $199, offers 2 ways to power it. It comes with a rechargeable internal battery pack, or it can be hooked up to existing doorbell wiring. Its alerts, video feed, and settings can be accessed from a smartphone, a tablet, or a personal computer. Adjustable motion sensors, includes 2 faceplates, but wide-angle camera lens. If you want cost-efficient, this new one is for you. August Pro, on-demand streaming and motion detection make the August Pro about $200, a particularly useful device for security-minded homeowners. It provides a crisp HD image and is easy to install, but it does require a subscription to view recordings. 10-second hindsight pre-buffering, clear 2-way audio, but 120-degree field of view. According to reviews, the second best product is Ring Peephole Cam. If you live in an apartment, you'll want to consider the Ring Peephole Cam. APPX, $149, which boasts a completely wireless installation, so you won't have to make any permanent changes to your building. It also supports IFTTT contingency programming for advanced customization. Simple configuration process, compatible with Alexa, but 1080p resolution. Now here is our best of best the King product. Ring Pro. The Ring Pro, APPX, $249, can connect to your existing doorbell wiring, so you don't have to worry about a complicated installation or batteries dying when you have somebody at the door. It provides clear, 1080p, HD video, and uses infrared technology to identify nighttime visitors. Motion activation, on-demand live video feed, but supports two-way communication.